Nick's Adventures, yeah!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Nick's Adventures, and today we are going to play the Escape Spongebob Obby, made by Spy Games, and now we're going to play. And also, my voice may seem a little sounding a little bit like I'm sick, but it's just because the weather's changing, and my nose is just really stuffy, so yeah. So let's go across this Mr. Krabs. Ow. And yes, I'm still wearing my Santa hat and Santa clothes and I don't know, Santa jeans, I guess. But yeah, the pants were too expensive, so why not wear the default jeans? Yep. Yeah. There we go. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I did trip over some of these red things that can kill you. Yeah. Ouch. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Hello, Gary. Nice to see you, Gary. Yeah. Fun is over. Alright, now all we gotta do is jump onto these anchors here. Yeah. And then I think there's more. Yeah, I won't spoil it for the rest. Yep. There we go. Risky moves here. Ma'am, don't stay in the middle of the thing. There we go, and beach ball, beach ball, beach ball, beach ball, beach ball. For a second, I thought those were actually gonna start turning, like it would push me off. But it's not pushing me off. And there we go. Jellyfish, 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 jellyfish. And another one. There we go. Boom. Then a bubble one, I think. There we go. Yeah. And boom. Checkpoint. Now it says go down here, and I'm guessing it's a slide. Woohoo. And it put us in another game. Well, before I get copyrighted for that, Foot Escape, we could play a little bit of that. Oh yeah, and I got into the pro server in this game, so yeah. Let's go into the pro server right over here. There we go. Okay. And yeah. Okay. So now we're in the pro server. I wish we could tap on the people's names. and actually watch them, but nope. So, yeah, just stuck in the elevator. I wonder if I can get a new thing here. No, I'll just stick with the one that I have. Yep, it's equipped. Okay. There we go. And cross this ladder very slowly. There we go. Come on, rock, thank you. There we go. Up here. Down here, up there. And dive. Dive. Boom. First survivor. One more level and the video is over. So, 6 out of 7 survived this one. I have a really good feeling that I'm not going to make this one. I never do. There's a, I wouldn't say a cheat, but a hack to get across this level. So, all I gotta do is wait for this water to rise up to somewhere around that area. And jump. Yep. Climb up this ladder. Then someone over there is probably gonna push the button. Please tell me you push the button. Oh, 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 oh. The floodgate started closing. Yep. Yep. Ouch. Well, that's it. Well, and intro in dry land or water? Water. Outro. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button. Have more adventures, and we'll see you next Saturday. Bye-bye.